Over 60? Struggling with blurry vision, tired eyes, or trouble seeing clearly at night? You're not alone. As we age, the eyes lose their ability to repair themselves as quickly. But there's good news. While you sleep, your body enters a powerful recovery mode, and certain foods can help your eyes rebuild vital tissues naturally overnight. In today's video, we're revealing 3 bedtime foods that support sharper vision, clearer focus, and healthier eyes while you rest. The last one is especially known for restoring night vision, and it might already be in your kitchen. Before we begin, let us know where you're tuning in from and share what's been the biggest change you've noticed in your eyesight lately. And if you enjoy simple science-based tips for staying healthy, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Food number 1. Let's begin with kiwi, a small fuzzy fruit that quietly holds some of the most powerful nutrients for protecting and repairing your eyes. Most people eat it for its refreshing sweetness or high vitamin C, but they often overlook how deeply it supports the retina, the thin, light-sensitive layer of tissue responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As you age, the retina becomes one of the first parts of the eye to suffer from oxidative stress. This damage builds up slowly over the years, often caused by sunlight exposure, computer screens, and even certain medications that reduce blood flow to the eyes. Over time, the result is weaker capillaries, less oxygen reaching the retina, and gradual loss of visual clarity, especially in low light. That's where kiwi steps in. This bright green fruit is loaded with vitamin C and lutein, a potent antioxidant combination that helps your body repair and protect eye tissue while you sleep. Vitamin C rebuilds collagen in the tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to your eyes, while lutein shields delicate photoreceptor cells from oxidative damage. Think of it as giving your retina an antioxidant bath right before bedtime. When these compounds circulate in your system during sleep, they help your eyes recover from the day's exposure to stress and strain, allowing you to wake up with clearer, more comfortable vision. But kiwi's benefits go beyond its antioxidant power. It also helps restore hydration and balance within the eyes, something many seniors struggle with. As we age, tear production declines and the protective oils on the surface of the eyes thin out. That's why dryness, itching, or that sandy feeling often becomes worse at night. Kiwi's high water content, paired with its natural potassium and vitamin C, supports fluid regulation inside and around the eyes, keeping the cornea and tear film healthy. This hydration effect not only improves comfort, but also allows nutrients to move more efficiently through eye tissue, which is critical for repair. You might be wondering, can eating kiwi really make a noticeable difference in vision quality? Research suggests that people who regularly eat fruits rich in vitamin C and lutein have a significantly lower risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration, 2 of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. 1 kiwi provides more than twice your daily requirement of vitamin C, more than an orange. That's not just helpful for immunity, it's essential for maintaining collagen integrity in the blood vessels of your eyes. When those vessels remain strong and flexible, it reduces the risk of microleaks that cause puffiness, dark circles, or swelling around the eyes. It also ensures the retina receives steady nourishment, preventing the gradual weakening that leads to blurred or faded vision. Another fascinating benefit is how kiwi supports your natural sleep cycle, which directly affects your body's ability to repair eye tissue overnight. Kiwi contains small amounts of serotonin and folate, which help regulate your internal clock and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Why does that matter for your eyes? Because most of your cellular repair happens while you're asleep. That's when the body clears oxidative waste and restores damaged proteins, including those in your retina. So, by helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, kiwi enhances the window during which your eyes can heal and regenerate. How should seniors include kiwi in their evening routine? The best time is about 1 hour before bed. You can eat it on its own, slice it over Greek yogurt, or blend it into a light smoothie with other antioxidant-rich foods like berries or spinach. 2 kiwis are ideal, but even 1 can provide significant benefits. Make sure they're ripe, soft to the touch, and fragrant, because ripe kiwi has higher antioxidant availability and is gentler on digestion. If you tend to have acid reflux, avoid pairing kiwi with very acidic fruits like pineapple or citrus at night. Instead, combine it with something soothing, such as oats or banana slices, to balance the acidity. Kiwi's beauty lies in its simplicity. It's affordable, easy to find, and offers one of the most concentrated doses of eye protective nutrients per bite. For seniors experiencing eye strain, dryness, or fading night vision, this small fruit can help nourish your eyes from within, strengthening the retina, improving circulation, and promoting natural repair as you sleep. It's one of those nightly habits that seem minor but make a powerful difference over time. So next time you're craving something sweet after dinner, skip the processed desserts and reach for a fresh kiwi instead. You'll not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also give your eyes the nutrients they need to stay strong, hydrated, and focused, even as you age. Food number 2. Next, let's talk about walnuts, one of the most powerful yet overlooked foods for maintaining healthy blood flow to your eyes. While most people think of heart health when they hear omega-3 fatty acids, very few realize how essential those same fats are for clear, steady vision, especially after age 60. Your eyes depend on a constant flow of oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Every second, millions of cells in your retina and optic nerve rely on tiny blood vessels to deliver those supplies. When circulation slows down, whether from aging, cholesterol buildup, or inflammation, your vision begins to blur, your eyes feel strained, and recovery from daily visual stress becomes harder. Walnuts help restore that balance by improving microcirculation, the blood flow through the smallest vessels that nourish the eyes. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E and L-arginine, all of which support vascular elasticity and reduce inflammation inside the arteries. Omega-3s, in particular, are known to keep the blood less sticky and improve vessel flexibility. This means nutrients can reach the delicate tissues of your retina and optic nerve more easily, ensuring better oxygen delivery and nutrient absorption, both essential for maintaining sharp, clear vision. But here's where it gets even more interesting. When you eat walnuts in the evening, those healthy fats continue to circulate overnight, feeding your eyes while you sleep. Unlike quick-burning carbohydrates, the fats in walnuts provide a slow, steady release of energy, giving your body time to focus on repair and maintenance instead of digestion. During that period of rest, improved circulation helps the retina clear out oxidative waste and replenish the photoreceptor cells responsible for detecting light and color. This process supports smoother visual adaptation between bright and dark environments, something many seniors notice declining as they age. Walnuts also have another major advantage. They help balance inflammation in both the eyes and blood vessels. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the key drivers behind vision problems like macular degeneration, dry eyes, and diabetic retinopathy. The alpha-linolenic acid ALA in walnuts acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, calming those processes and protecting nerve endings from damage. At the same time, vitamin E in walnuts acts as a shield against oxidative stress, especially in the delicate fatty membranes of your retina. Together, they keep your eye tissues resilient and better equipped to handle daily strain from light exposure or blood sugar fluctuations. For seniors who experience dry or irritated eyes, walnuts can also help restore natural moisture. The omega-3s stimulate the meibomian glands, which produce the oily layer of your tears, the part that prevents evaporation and keeps your eyes hydrated. That's why people who eat omega-3 rich foods regularly often report fewer dry eye symptoms, less burning, and better comfort when reading or using digital devices. So how many walnuts should you eat and when? A small handful, about 1 ounce or 6 to 8 halves, before bed or as an evening snack is enough to support nighttime eye repair. It's best to eat them raw or dry roasted without added salt or sugar. Salted versions can cause fluid retention and disrupt circulation, which cancels out the very benefit you're aiming for. You can also crush walnuts and sprinkle them over oatmeal, yogurt, or even sweet potato mash to create a balanced bedtime combination that supports both heart and eye health. Can walnuts really make a difference in preventing age-related eye decline? Several studies suggest they can. One long-term study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consume nuts regularly had a 40% lower risk of developing advanced macular degeneration compared to those who didn't. That's because the retina relies heavily on omega-3 fats, not just for structural integrity, but also for maintaining the speed and precision of visual signaling. When your eyes get enough of these healthy fats, they transmit images more clearly and recover faster from glare or fatigue. There's also a strong link between eye and brain health. Both depend on healthy circulation. The same nutrients in walnuts that keep your eyes sharp also support memory and focus. That's why seniors who include walnuts in their diet often notice improved visual clarity and better cognitive performance over time. It's one of those rare foods that nourishes both the mind and the eyes, helping you stay alert and visually stable as you age. For the best results, consistency is key. Eating walnuts once in a while won't create major changes, but making them part of your daily or nightly routine can. Over weeks and months, they gradually improve blood vessel health, support nerve function, and enhance the body's ability to repair the microscopic damage that builds up in the eyes each day. To sum it up, walnuts are more than a heart-healthy snack. They're an eye circulation booster that helps keep your vision steady, your eyes hydrated, and your nerves protected, all while you sleep. So before bed, skip the chips or crackers and go for a handful of walnuts instead. It's one small habit that can help you wake up with fresher eyes and sharper focus, night after night. Food number 3. Finally, let's talk about sweet potatoes. The bright orange root that holds one of the most essential nutrients for vision, beta-carotene, the natural pigment your body converts into vitamin A. While many people associate vitamin A with general eye health, few realize how critical it is for night vision and for repairing the light-sensitive cells that allow you to see clearly in dim light. After 60, it's common to notice that your eyes take longer to adjust when moving from bright areas into darker rooms. That difficulty, known as impaired dark adaptation, is often an early sign that your body isn't producing enough of a compound called rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is a pigment found in the retina that's responsible for detecting light and sending signals to your brain. And here's the key: your body needs vitamin A to make it. That's where sweet potatoes shine. They're one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in the liver and fuels rhodopsin production. Eating sweet potatoes before bed helps your eyes replenish the vitamin A needed to restore rhodopsin overnight, essentially recharging your night vision while you sleep. As this process continues over time, many people notice they can see more clearly in low light, experience less glare from headlights, and even feel less strain during nighttime activities like reading or driving. But the benefits go further. Vitamin A also supports the cornea, the transparent surface covering the front of your eye. The cornea depends on vitamin A for moisture and repair. Without enough, it can become dry and irritated, a problem many older adults face. That's why one of the earliest symptoms of vitamin A deficiency is dry, gritty eyes or blurred vision. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes helps your body produce enough mucin, the protective film that keeps your cornea smooth and hydrated. So by including this food at dinner or as a light evening snack, you're providing your body with the raw material it needs to maintain moisture and prevent the tiny scratches that make eyes sensitive or blurry. What's remarkable is how efficiently your body uses sweet potatoes. A single medium-sized one can supply over 400% of your daily vitamin A requirement, all from a natural, easily digestible source. Unlike synthetic supplements, which can sometimes build up excessively in the liver, beta-carotene from foods like sweet potatoes converts safely according to your body's needs. That makes it an ideal and gentle way to support long-term eye health without risk of toxicity. Sweet potatoes are also rich in anthocyanins, potassium, and fiber, which all contribute to healthier circulation and lower oxidative stress. Anthocyanins, the same compounds that give them their vibrant orange color, have been shown to protect the retina from UV-induced damage and improve blood flow through the small vessels of the eye. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your photoreceptor cells, and more waste gets cleared away overnight when your body is naturally repairing itself. To maximize these benefits, try eating a small portion of baked or mashed sweet potato about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Avoid frying them or covering them with sugar, butter, or heavy oils, which counteract the nutrients you're trying to absorb. For the best results, combine them with a small amount of healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil or a few crushed walnuts. That fat helps your body absorb beta-carotene more effectively, boosting the conversion to vitamin A and amplifying its impact on night vision. Seniors who struggle with dry eyes, eye fatigue, or difficulty adjusting to darkness may notice changes within a few weeks of consistent intake. The key is regularity, small portions several times a week rather than occasional large servings. That consistency ensures your vitamin A levels stay stable and your eyes continue to repair and maintain healthy function each night. It's also worth noting that sweet potatoes provide a steady, slow-releasing source of complex carbohydrates. That means they won't spike blood sugar, which is important because fluctuating glucose levels can damage blood vessels in the eyes over time. Instead, the natural fibers and antioxidants in sweet potatoes support healthy digestion and stable energy, allowing your body to focus on restoration during sleep, not blood sugar correction. To summarize, sweet potatoes nourish your eyes from multiple angles. They rebuild rhodopsin for sharper night vision, hydrate and protect the cornea, improve blood circulation to the retina, and provide the antioxidants needed to reduce oxidative wear. When you make them part of your evening meal, you're essentially giving your eyes the fuel they need to repair themselves while you rest. So, if you've been struggling to see clearly at night, or you wake up with dry, irritated eyes, try adding a small serving of sweet potato to your dinner routine. It's a comforting, delicious way to support your eyes, and over time, you might just notice the world looks a little clearer every morning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support our work and keeps this kind of health content coming your way. Drop a comment below and share which of these bedtime foods you're most excited to try, or tell us what's been helping your eyes the most lately. We love hearing your experiences. And of course, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest natural health tips and insights. Take care of your vision, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.